Hey collectors, welcome back to daily episodes of Y Team Hotwheels. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to all notifications. The all-new upcoming RLC exclusive car has a 1971 AMC Javelin AMX, dropping on March 31st at 9 AM Pacific Time. For overdrive members have been notified and will be charged on March 28. So collectors, check out a sneak peek of this complete lineups. A Hot Wheels Porsche 911 Carrera RS 2.7 as a factory custom. Note: this is a sneak peek and a clean and clear peek of a car. The Hot Wheels RLC 1991 Nissan Sentra SCR Limited Edition as a 2025 Mexico convention is a premium 1:64 diecast car limited to only 3,500 units. This model features a wide Tarmac body design to mimic a Mexico City taxi, featuring pink detailing, rear rider wheels and a metallic chassis, specifically released for a Mexican convention. Finally, Hot Wheels Malaysia has showcased a clean and clear peek of this car. A 2026 Hot Wheels has a 2023 Dodge Challenger SRT Demon 170 as a new upcoming RLC car. Now let's check out the all-new upcoming Silver Label series as a Fast and Furious box set. Has a 25 years anniversary multipack set. Now let's check out all new release models by Tarmac Works. So check out a sneak peek of these cars. A second new lineups of our all new release models by minigt. So check out a sneak peek of these cars. A DCM Models presents a Ford Mustang Dark Horse. Color of a car, racing red. Limited up to 500 units, made from diecast. Releasing on May 2026. So collectors, thanks for watching this video. Please make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to all notifications. See you next time.